हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे काउंट इफ्स, सम एवरेज, सम इफ और सम इफ्स। हमारे पास 5 फंक्शंस हैं। आज हम इसके बारे में डिस्कस करते हैं। सबसे पहले हम काउंट इफ के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे। मैंने आपको अपनी फर्स्ट वाली वीडियो में काउंट इफ के बारे में बताया था। आज हम फिर इसके बारे में डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। तो यहाँ पे मेरे पास मैंने क्वेश्चन लिखा हुआ है, हाउ मैनी ब्रेक शूज़ हैव बीन बाउट। मेरे पास जो ये छोटा सा डेटा है, इसके अंदर कितने ब्रेक शूज़ हैं जो हमने बाय किए हैं। यहाँ पे हम चेक कर लेते हैं, इक्वल टू काउंट इफ। यहाँ पे रेंज क्राइटेरिया मैंने आपको बताया था, हमारा सिंटैक्स यहाँ शो होता रहता है साथ के साथ। यहाँ पे हम सबसे पहले रेंज को सिलेक्ट करेंगे। रेंज हमारी क्या है? रेंज हमारे आइटम है। आइटम को हमने सिलेक्ट किया, यहाँ पे डबल कोटेशन मार्क एंड यहाँ ब्रेक्स। यहाँ पे हमारा आंसर आ गया 3। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हाउ मेनी ब्रेक्स एंड टायर्स हैव बीन बाउट, इज इक्वल टू काउंट इफ। Select range, quotation mark, breaks, quotation mark, bracket close. After that we will press plus, again type function, again type function count if, select range, then comma, quotation mark, tires. This is our answer. And next is, how many item cost 100 or above, is equal to count if. We will select cost and comma, quotation mark, greater than and 100, greater than and is equal to 100. This is our answer. And next is, how many item cost 100. We will press is equal to count if, then select cost. This is our range, and after that quotation mark and is equal to 100. This is our answer. And after that we will discuss about count ifs. What are the difference between count if and count ifs? In this question, given how many brake shoes have been bought on 1st March 1998 from GGN. GGN means Gurgaon. Press equal to count if, and there is criteria. We will select criteria, comma, quotation mark. After that criteria, what is the criteria? Criteria is our brakes. After that, bought on 1st March 1998. We will select range, date. This is our criteria range, and after that 1st March 1998, quotation mark. After that we will select location. There is location, and we will type GGN, and after that press enter. This is our answer. You can check. And next is, how many brakes and tires have been bought on 1st January 1998. There is only 2 question, and count if, criteria range. This is our criteria range, comma, quotation mark, brakes, quotation mark, comma. After that we will select date range, comma, quotation mark, 1st Jan, 1998, quotation mark, bracket close. There is two question, brakes and tires, and we will repeat again this function, plus count ifs range, after that comma, quotation mark, tires, quotation mark, comma. After that we will select range of date, 1st Jan 1998. There is answer 2, and after that question is how many item cost 100 or above. We will press count ifs, select cost range, comma, quotation mark, greater than is equal to 100. This is our answer. And the next question is type the name of the item to count. We have to put name in the item cell and put date in date cell, and we will start our function from in this cell, count ifs, select item range. We no need to press quotation mark because we will select blank cell. Select it, and after that date. In this data, date, comma. After that we will select next blank cell for the date, bracket close, and enter. And we will put item name in this cell, like brakes, wrote brakes. We will press date, 1st Jan 1998. There is answer 1, and you can check brakes 1st Jan. This is our answer, and there is no brakes on 1st Jan. Next function is sum average. Sum average, what is sum average? First of all, I would like to tell you about AutoSum. What is AutoSum? We will press Alt is equal to. This is the AutoSum. There is answer. What is sum is equal to sum? We will select cost manually. We selected the cost range, then enter, and after that average is equal to average. We have to select all the cost. There is our answer. We have one function for average. We can use sum, bracket close. After that we will press divide sign. We will press count. After that we will select range. There is same answer. You can see both are same answer. After that we will discuss about sum if. There is a small data and there is question total cost of all brakes and sum if. We have to count brake sale. We select item, quotation mark, brakes, quotation mark, we have to select sum range. This is our sum range. This is our answer. We have sold 410 rupees brakes. This is the total cost of brakes. This is brakes and brakes. All total cost, sum total cost 410 rupees. After that, there is question total cost of all tires bought is equal to count sum ifs. We have to select range, comma, quotation mark, criteria. What is our criteria? Our criteria is tires. We have to type item name without spelling mismatch, comma, there is cost, bracket close. This is our answer. Total of item costing 100 or above is equal to sum if range this is our cost, our range, because we are talking about the costing, comma, quotation mark, greater than is equal to 100. After that, sum range. This is our sum range, bracket close, then enter. This is our answer. Next question is total of item type in following cell. We have to type our item name and our answer should be in this cell, and is equal to sum if we have to select item, quotation mark, no need to quotation mark because we have to select blank cell, after that comma, and after that sum range. You can see sum range there is. After that we will press enter. We will press any item name like tires. This is our item cost. We will type brakes. We can type anything in this cell and our answer should be appear in this cell. Okay, next function is sum if. Question is total cost of all brakes bought on 1st February 1998 is equal to sum ifs. In this function we have to select a cost. You can see sum range appear in first, so we have to select range. This is our sum range, and after that you can see criteria range. What is our criteria? Our criteria is brakes, comma, quotation mark, brakes, after that comma. We will select date range, date, 1st Feb 1998. This is our answer. Brakes bought 1st February 1998. After that, next question is total cost of all tires and clutch bought from GGN. We have is equal to sum ifs in this function we have to select cost in the first is equal to sum ifs. We can see this is asking about the sum range. First of all, we have to select range, and after that comma, we will select criteria range and comma criteria. What is the criteria? Tires. Location. This is our location. Quotation mark GGN. After that we will press plus and sum ifs. Do again same thing, comma item, comma we have to type clutch, quotation mark, we will select location. This is our location. What was the location? GGN. This is our answer. And next question is total of item costing 100 or above. You can use sum if or sum ifs. Both are work equally in this question. Is equal to sum ifs. This is our sum range, comma. After that, what are the criteria range? This is also our criteria range, comma, quotation mark, greater than is equal to. This is our answer. And here is same question. Total of item typed in following cell. We will type item name and date into our answer in this cell is equal to count ifs. Comma, we will select blank cell, comma, after that, sorry, first of all we have to select some range. I told you before. Sorry, we have to use in this cell sum if function is equal to sum ifs. After that we will select cost, comma, criteria range of criteria. This is range of criteria, comma, and we did not type here criteria name, comma, quotation, sorry, and after that we will select date range, comma, and we will select blank cell. After that bracket close, then enter. We can see in this cell we will type breaks 1st Feb 1998. This is our answer. Thanks for watching my video. We will meet again in the next video.